I made chilaquiles today. It's one of my favorite breakfast meals. My name is Nick Jeffers. I've been with the Fresno Fire Department for 2 years now. I made the salsa the night before, so I went with some bigger tomatoes. I threw some serranos in there, some jalapeños, garlic, and a little bit of salt. With the tortillas, fry those in oil and salt. Cook them until they're a little bit brown and not too crispy. And then I started going over to the bacon. Cook the bacon up, pour the bacon grease, and then you take the bacon out of the pan, put the pinto beans in there, cook them with the grease until they're warm. I like to smash them and make refried beans, dice up the bacon, throw the bacon back in there, and throw some cheese on top of that. Going back to the chilaquiles, throw the salsa in the pan and throw your tortillas back in with the salsa, cook it around so it soaks it up, and then you're ready to serve with the tortillas cooked in salsa, and then there you go with your chilaquiles. Throw your fried egg on top, throw your sour cream, cilantro, onion, whatever you want on top. Chilaquiles, it's not a super complex meal, so it's really easy to make from scratch. Everyone pitches in, and then that's actually how we get our budget. So it's actually from our own paychecks. Everybody loved it, everybody said good job, so that makes me happy, and it's an edible meal.